Harper. And my name is Harper, and today we're doing a Valentine's craft. Costume jewelry and bottle magic, glitter glue, ribbon, paintbrush, cookie cutters, and eyes. It's very hard to do. It's hard. Make it flat like a pancake. That's good. Here's my heart-shaped cookie cutter. This is to make different textures. Let's add glitter. Need some more. Oh, my headband is coming off. Just spread it around with the paintbrush. Ooh, this is looking good. That's all done. This is a pipe cleaner, and we're gonna use it to make a smiley face. The pipe cleaner. Now we put the eyes on. That's a happy-looking smiley face. Hot. To hang it, we need to have a hole. Look at that cute little heart. Okay, these are all dry now. Just kidding, they're not for eating. Ribbon through the hole. Tie it in a bow. I'm all done with my project. I hope you had fun with me. Valentine's Day for loving them and hooray! Valentine's Day is to show you I love you. These what are these? That, like that, like this, like this. Hey, I'm making it flat.
Say it.
Just make it nice and smooth.
You gotta.
Use the costume jewelry for texture. Oh no, we ruined everything. I might have used too much glitter. Squish, 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 squish. To make a ball. I'm gonna make a puddle. A puddle.